Hey guys, and good morning. So your girl, oh yes, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. So I am currently here going through some work, and I got my soup. Yes, my nice goat manish water here. I am here drinking, and today is Boxing Day. It's Boxing Day. So we have a garden party today that we're gonna go to. We're gonna take the kids them, and then later at night is for the adult party starts. But I know there's car shows going on too, so we're not sure if we're doing that. There's a few other things going on, but it's time to start fully enjoying and doing some stuff. So we're taking a break from working on the house today. We're looking for Memphis. I think he's in the kitchen. So we're taking a break from doing anything on the house today. Probably maybe tomorrow they will start back, and they're gonna start blocking it up. But yeah, that is what your girl is doing. And oh my gosh, have you guys tried this pasta here? It's a bubble gum thing. I love it. I first tried it, I think, the other day. It's in one of my vlogs that are up before this, and it's amazing. And I just wanted to come on here and say, guys, sorry about Vlogmas. Like, it just kind of put me really behind. Yeah, so it put me behind. Pardon? Where's that?
Zach, go buy one can be for me, a small one.
So you're not gonna use the big one?
No, no, like, I'm not doing it.
Oh,
A small can be for me.
okay. So
Come in.
So yeah, guys, you're not saying good morning
The
to...
one, the big one. Because we don't do it.
You're not saying good morning?
Huh?
You're not saying good morning?
Good morning.
Oh gosh, so that's what's going on. Lani Boo! Everybody still recovering from last night, and then all of us is going to be out. I hope you guys like the vlog. Are you saying good morning, Lani Boo?
Good morning.
Yeah, I said good morning. See my princess? Aw, she got her hair done, so everybody was all dressed to tea yesterday. We had a blast. We partied till wee hours in the morning, but it was fun. It's just nice being outside and stuff. And it got even chilly. It got chilly last night. Oh my god, but we had such a blast. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and as I was saying, sorry about Vlogmas. I only released 20 videos. It's just because when we first got down here, I had a very hard time uploading the vlogs, so that's where the problem came in, and it took a bit of time, but we were able to figure things out. And thanks to my girl Nisha, because she was a big help, because she ended up even taking my laptop and everything and tried to upload the vlogs done for me. Yeah, so thanks to Ziggy and Nisha for doing that. And even but she figured out what the problem was, because I had how much vlogs edited, and I was like, why can't I send them off? We couldn't upload them, and then we were able to figure out why it wasn't. And we had to adjust the setting down here based on how the internet run to get it up and going. So let's go see what these guys are doing in the kitchen. Let me just leave. I was editing and doing some stuff for the business, but take a break. So it's done. So there's love kitchen. These guys are in here cooking. Come here. See? So guys, do you realize how much you've been seeing this one in the kitchen? And when you oversee the hard, you ever seen him in the kitchen? He cooks more out here than overseas. But me don't mind, because I love it. I love when he cooks, but he cooks more out here than overseas. No, you. Big eyes in the kitchen. Oh my god. So yeah, that is what is going on. They're making something else, and the kids them are outside. I'm not sure what time we're gonna go to the garden party, but I will definitely take you guys along to see. It's been years since we've actually been to one. So, well, since I've been to one. I think I've only been to one up here one time. So I will definitely take you guys to go see that. Hey guys, what is up? So we are all ready. As you see, we're off to the next party for tonight. We're going to a garden party. The girls them are in there ready. So we are just waiting on. You say hi, Lani Boo. Lani Boo's all ready. And I'm in 2 different pair of shoes trying to figure out. Ooh, I got jelly. Oh, babes brought me jelly. Yum yum. So so we're getting ready to head out just now.
Yo, watch it, man.
This one. So that is what we're doing. So we are all ready to go. The kids them are ready to go party. So let's go, kiddies, round up. Oh,
Mommy, look like I highlighted. Mommy, look at this. Look like I highlighted my cheekbones.
so y'all ready to party? Yeah. Y'all ready to party?
Look at this picture.
Lani Bo, you ready to
It's going
party,
on my
Lani Bo?
No, if
Yes, it's your face.
This long, me just would get ready in the first place. Kind of take me long for it.
Hello. You know, say, yeah, I'm miserable old man. You know where they get you from?
Oh.
The kids, them outfit of the day. All dress.
Look for fear.
That's it, Chacha boy style. Lani Bo, get in the frame. That's your outfit of the day. Yeah? All ready? Snoop, come. Snoop.
Nope.
Yes.
Oh God.
Disneyland.
I just split up cars because there's too much of us, but there's still a good chunk load in the back. The other ones them are gone in the other car. So let's go. This is why we need a bigger vehicle. See, if we did have a truck now, one of the vans, and I put them all in the back. So they all would have been in the back, and then you have the little ones them that would have been in the back seat. Yes. Mr. Williams, put on your seatbelt.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Cause why?
Tell the people them why you not put on your seatbelt.
I'm there Jamaica.
Because you're there Jamaica. Oh, so because you're there Jamaica, rules don't apply. Huh? Is that what you're telling the people? The rules them. No, look at me. I said, eh? Put your seatbelt on. So this is always a sound when I used to overseas and I used to say, babes, you don't have your seatbelt on, do you? And you say, yeah man, me have a time, I put it on. And then wait until it times out, because after a while, it times out. And me always know when he doesn't have his seatbelt on. True. Or what he will do, he'll open up the door, so then the seatbelt light goes off as well. The party, it is crazy. Oh my.
Rocket ship!
Hey man, look at Lania. A bus in a bus.
If it got suck, it's gonna come back.
It never come back up.
If it got suck, it comes.
Me, you must, if me afraid
Like, you jump in our car and I move, but I shake out the knife.
Where is that done?
Come now. Go on in, man. Go on in, yo, my yo. I'm going to pop it down. It's a kids section, like right now. Kids them out of fun from day from this morning, so adult time and the kids them gone home.
One white boy, what they steer palm. Look, the one where they over there.
The party's still going on. It is dark as hell up in here. Oh gosh, so guys, we're still here at the party. And yeah, basically everybody just holding a bag. But it is
Doesn't that hurt, Dad? Does that hurt? Does it hurt?
them are out. Everybody just enjoy themselves. Mirror and those things scared the crap out. Oh man.
Ain't come back. Ain't come back.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.